Hi everybody, my name is Laura Springer and this is my final exam presentation and hope you enjoy. All right, well, let's get into summarizing my desired job duties. So there are many different areas you can get into with social work. The sky is really the limit. There's child and family, criminal justice, disability, medical, environmental, and international. I want to be a psychiatric social worker, which is under the medical work program. The duties include psychosocial assessments, which determines issues and needs, individualized and group psychotherapy, which is, behavioral therapy, mindfulness training, or harm reduction techniques, crisis intervention and support. If you have patients that are, maybe suicidal or homicidal, then you're going to use a lot of crisis intervention there. um, Care coordination, that's, collaborating with medical and mental health staff, providing options and resources for your patients. And then there's discharge planning services, that's setting up treatment plans and support services, and having kind of a game plan for when they go home. All right, so let's move on to the next slide. So the exact job that I want upon graduation, again, is psychiatric social work. The location is Indy and surrounding areas, and the median salary, starting out per year there is $60,369. Now there is an application process. Once I have my BSW, you need to complete an application with your state, pay any application fees, um, do a name change documentation if all your documentation doesn't match, like if you were divorced or remarried, um, answer questions that they have. If you do answer any of questions and a yes, you would need to fill out a statement and fill out a form which is called a positive response documentation. You will need to pass a national level criminal background check and do fingerprinting, and you are responsible for those costs. And then you'll send your official transcripts mailed from the school to the board, and then you just need your verification of licensing. All right, so classes and pre-training requisites. So prerequisites vary from college to college. Each college is usually pretty campus specific. So you would need to check with that with whatever college you're going to. So I looked up for Indiana University Bloomington. The BSW degree consists of a minimum of 120 credit hours through required elective courses. 42 to 45 of those credit hours are devoted to general supportive liberal arts courses, and 52 credit hours to social work courses. Their main and required credits are earned through the elective courses. General education requirements, a campus specific, and you must maintain a 2.5 or higher GPA. So basically nothing lower than a C. All right. So let's explain how specific skills practice in this class will be useful on the job. I really love this because we have learned so much, and honestly, almost every area of this class is going to be beneficial. So the first thing is public speaking. Doing this presentation will have a huge role in public speaking, bettering my abilities to collaborate with staff and patients alike, and holding group therapies. Collaboration, doing the discussion with the class, that'll aid me in working with staff and patients in the field, and being able to openly discuss any problems or issues that need addressed. Group chat with that will assist me in different thoughts and communications with others, as well as being open to others' thoughts and opinions. Research, through doing research and writing essays. This will be especially helpful in the field. As a social worker, we will be required to do ongoing research and coming up with new ideas and stuff. So that's huge. Citing and scholarly journals. As a psychiatric social worker, I will be able to write theses or essays about the work that I'm doing as well as citing the work. So that's going to be huge help for me, as well. All right, let's watch a video real quick on the role of psychiatric social workers. All right. So why should I be selected? Why me? Well, I have 3.5 years in the field. For social work, I'm state trained and I'm a certified advocate and trainer in the state of Florida. I have worked crisis intervention hotline, and I've also worked at the shelter for domestic violence. I am a state certified domestic violence counselor in Florida as well. And I have over 35 certifications of further training that I did while in that role. And there's my works cited. And I want to thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the presentation as much as I enjoyed giving it. Have a great day. Bye bye.